Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a snowman, so let's get started. First, draw a circle here. And then, just following with me. Now draw a curve down. To the right. And upwards. Draw a line down here and to the right. The hands. Two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Here too. With line inside. Draw the nose. And the mouth. Now just following with me. Draw a circle. Here too. Again. Now we have a snowman. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.